welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you're new. My name is Beth if you don't know me, and I basically film anything I enjoy filming. Today I'm going to be filming my clothing haul. Basically it's a clothing haul, but it's also like a bit random. It's from loads of different, well, not loads of different shops, but a few different shops, and I just thought I would show you guys what I've got, because I feel like I always buy things randomly and I never vlog it, like I never film it, and then I'm like, but what if they wanted to see that, you know, what if they wanted to see it? So when I get a random collection of things, if it's not just one thing, I will film it all, but I prefer filming like hauls when it's all just from a certain shop. But I thought, do you know what, it's a bit of fun, I'm gonna film it anyway. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you like what I got. So I think I'm gonna start with the first shop that I went into. So I went to Blue Water, which is basically a massive shopping centre. Can you guess the first place I went into was Primark. I have never ever like filmed, I've never filmed anything that I've bought from Primark before. So basically I used to absolutely love Primark. I used to go in, I used to buy everything, right? But now I go in there and I find that I don't really find things that I see online. Like Primark online, like when you see people what they buy, you're like, wow, 10 out of 10, gotta get that. And then like when I go to my Primark, I'm like, where the hell am I? It's literally the only clothing piece, so don't get big hopes for this. It's this little pyjama set, which is Mickey Mouse pyjama set, which is so cute. Like, so this is literally the top, and I thought, do you know what, because it's coming into autumn, I know they've got like really fluffy pyjamas and stuff. Oh, it's Nala. I was thinking, why is my bag moving like that? It's so annoying. Hello baby girl, do you want to say hi? She loves saying hi, doesn't she? She loves being in the vlog, don't you? She's so big again, guys. Like, she just literally keeps growing. Look at her. She's huge. She's literally huge. Show everyone how huge you are, Nala. You're a big girl now. Anyway, we love her. So she just wanted to make a little entrance. Bye, guys. Little Mickey Mouse set, pyjama set from Primark. Super cute. Really like nice and fleecy, but yeah, it's more of a fleece. Like, it's really thin material. But it's like fleecy, it's not like the really thick fluffy ones, so I thought that was good for autumn because it's not hot and it's not cold when you're going to bed in autumn. Love that. Little white bottoms and grey top. Next little thing from Primark I've got, so obviously it's going on to accessories now, is, no, get down, down. She really wants the bag, guys. Get down. Good girl. Oh my god, she's like obsessed with eating any like cardboard. Like, no, not my makeup bag. You're being naughty. You're being really naughty. Right. So the next thing I picked up from Primark, which was literally £1.50, I thought it's so cute, is this little bee necklace. How cute is that for like layering my necklaces, basically, because I think I said this in one of my other videos, I love gold jewellery at the minute. Like, I'm becoming obsessed, so I feel like I've got a few little like gold necklaces that I feel like this will pair really nicely with, so layer them necklaces up, do you know what I mean? Like, get involved or don't. I got basically a need, like a necessary need. It's these little hairbands, because I went to this party the other day and I wanted to do my hair in like braids, and I just didn't have any of these. I just had to use like normal hair ties, and like these are so cute because they don't really show up, do you know what I mean? And because they're so thin as well. So I got some of them, they're only £1. And then, oh my god guys, like actually stop. I didn't even need this, but I didn't have one, so I was like, I do need it. But it's so cute. So Primark at the minute have this little Winnie the Pooh collection, and they have like shower gel, moisturizers, stuff like that. And I just thought this was so cute, I could not resist. It is this little shower cap. Like, how cute is this? Look at the little pattern on it. Like, I'm sorry, the quality from Primark at the minute, so cute. So yeah, I just thought, why not? Why not? I'm in Primark, and I was trying so hard to find like little bits that I really liked, and I thought, do you know what, I really like that, so I'm gonna get it, because I didn't want to go into Primark and just buy one thing, because I was like, then I can't really film one thing, do you know what I mean? Like, I wanted to kind of get a few things. This, which is really cute actually, and I didn't use it today, but I should have done. It's just this little pink fluffy headband for when you're doing your makeup, you know, so you just put it on. I'm not gonna put it on right now, You put it on over your head like this and you do your makeup and your hair stays out your face and doesn't get covered in makeup either. And then I could not resist, guys. I could not resist. So this is a bit of an insight to the next video I'm going to be filming. So I don't know if you guys will be able to guess, but I got these for my car. Right, you're gonna laugh. Literally, look at this. This is like a mini Pepsi bottle, and guys, I'm honestly in love. This was only £1, right, or like £1.50 or whatever it was. It's a lip balm. You would never ever think that this is a lip balm, would you? But it's so cute, and I just couldn't resist it. And I was like, it reminds me of the days when I used to go into Claire's and I would buy all of like the flavoured lip like balms and stuff, and they were like Pepsi, Fanta. I used to absolutely love them. Literally like rip the top off of it and then you use the bottom to twist it up, and I was like, £1 for that? That is like literally amazing. So I thought, so here's the insight to my next video, or like video that's coming up, is it's gonna go in my car. I'm gonna put it in a little place in my car, and you know, it's just gonna be there. It's gonna be cute. People are gonna be like, oh my god, what is that? It's just like a little, do you know what I mean? Like, I absolutely love that. And then I also got, which was I think 50p this one, a Cornetto vanilla lip balm. So couldn't resist that. Cute little packaging. Yeah, I couldn't not get it. So cute. So I got that, and it smells, honestly, I know. Guys, I'm absolutely fuming. She's teething so bad in a minute. Look at what she's just done to my folder. I'm not happy. She's not happy. I'm not happy. Nala, that is it, right? This is your final warning, otherwise you're going in your crate, because I cannot with you right now. Chewing everything. She literally, right, goes on walks every single day. She literally burns her energy. Like, we play with her, everything, and she's still hyper. I know she's a puppy, so you got to expect it, but oh my god, you're like a little monster. Right, so that's all I got from Primark. So just a little mini one. Literally the video that I think is just gonna have gone up is the filter by Molly May. I got the tanning drops and I got the dark tan, and then I also got 2 mitts. It came in a bundle, so got them. Really nice. It's what I'm wearing right now. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it now, because it's the video that I literally just uploaded before this, so go and watch it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because love you. And me and my friend were like having a joke. We were like oh my god, I nearly forgot as well. Okay, so I got quite a few things in Blue Water basically. The tan I didn't. Next thing I got from Blue Water, I'm absolutely obsessed with, is this massive lovely furry coat. I'm gonna have to stand up and show you it. It's the perfect coat for autumn. Like, I'm gonna show you it on right now, but it literally says it's from BDG, but it's obviously from Urban Outfitters. And I don't know, guys, there's just something about it that I absolutely love. Like, I just love it. It gives me like really American vibes. You know that everyone has those jackets at the minute, and they're like bomber jackets, and yeah, they're like bomber jackets, but they've got like M&Ms and stuff on them. I was like, they're really cute, and I did want to get something like that, but I thought also this is different, and not many people are going to have this, and it's like, it's basically the same kind of style, but not. It's got like fluff like around the top, and I just absolutely love it. So I got that, and then the last thing I got from Blue Water is this. Oh my god, I just love candles, guys. Absolutely love candles. Cannot resist a Yankee candle, and especially I could not resist this smell. I've wanted this one for so long. It's just one of them like neutral scents. Oh my god, I can smell it already. It just smells so nice. I obviously had to pick up the Soft Blanket Yankee candle. I absolutely love it. It smells so nice. It smells quite vanilla-y. If I had to give it like a scent, it's quite vanilla-y. Is that even a word? Who knows, but Beth just made it up if it isn't. And yeah, I just absolutely love it. It's the medium sized one. It was £17 on discount, and I just love it. It sits on my bedside table and I light it. It's one of them transitional smells because it's not yet autumn, but I am finishing off this really nice summer Yankee candle actually. This one, this is like the massive one. And this is the Calamansi cocktail, and I absolutely love this. So finishing off my summer one, then I'm going to start this one, and then I'm also going to be filming soon a like homeware haul. So I'm going to get like loads of autumnal homeware stuff, which is going to be really exciting, and I can't wait to film that. So I think I'm going to be filming that next week for you guys, so stay tuned. We're moving on to stuff that I got online. So obviously I got the filter Molly May stuff online. I then got, oh my god, like obsessed. So I was looking on TikTok, and I saw so many girls in such nice tracksuits from boohoo, and obviously it's coming into winter, autumn, and I was like, I literally live in tracksuits, guys, okay? I really do live in tracksuits. It's literally what I'm wearing right now. So it is this, I'm gonna have to stand back, this white two-piece tracksuit, but obviously these are shorts, but because it's autumn, it's not really, like I said, too hot or too cold. I just thought this was like a perfect one to just lounge around in the house with. The top is like off the shoulder, but I just thought it was really cute. It gives me like tennis vibes, do you know what I mean? I just like absolutely love it. And this bit says official in green, and I think that's their like tracksuit clothing line, or just like part of their clothing line. I don't know, it's just so cute. Just like this little white two-piece tracksuit to just stay and lounge around in the house in. So yeah, absolutely love that. Can you... This pink tracksuit, which I'm literally obsessed with, right? So again, it's got the green writing on it, but this one says official studio, so, well, OFCL studio, so I'm guessing again it's the same brand, and it's just this pink tracksuit hoodie, which I absolutely love, can't get enough of, and these pink tracksuit matching bottoms, which also say official studio on them here, and then they're cuffed at the bottom as well, which I absolutely love. I can't not have like cuffed top and bottom tracksuits. Last thing that I got from H&M actually is a tracksuit. I saw it on TikTok. Someone was like, you've got to get yourself down to H&M right now, and I was like, right, gonna look on the website. Then came across this. It literally is so random, but it's just such a cool hoodie, like I couldn't not. And it's one of my favourite films as well. So it is this super bad hoodie. I don't know, there's just something about it which I really like, and I got it in a size medium, so it's literally massive, and I just thought it's literally going to be my hungover hoodie. That's the one, it's going to be that. And I did actually indeed wear it when I was hungover the other day, and it's just so comfortable and cozy. It's just so cool. Like, I just bloody love Jonah Hill as well, like, so funny. Such a cool jumper. I've already had so many compliments on it actually, like from my mates and that, and I don't know, I just absolutely love it. And it's like this, it's called neon green, but I'd say it's more of a neon yellow colour. But how cute, I just absolutely love it. These are these pink jeans that have been in, what, like 3 of my videos now, my 3 recent videos, and you've seen them, so I thought I might as well try them on for you so you know what they look like, because I've just had them altered. They fit me so nice around here. So these are from Zara, for those of you who haven't watched my previous videos. They are honestly the nicest jeans that I actually own. So I feel like you can see me now, but like at the bottom, god, I'm literally so far away, that's so inconvenient, but they basically don't drag on the bottom anymore, which is really good, so we love these. Right, so guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember, thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!